Static wall floor glides. In the static wall position, she's going to start with her hip against the wall, bringing her legs up the wall. She's going to scoot her butt as close to the wall as possible as it rests on the floor and locking the knees out. So the knees, the most important thing is these knees stay locked out. If you can't scooch all the way to the wall and your knees want to start bending, then you need to scoot your body back from the wall until the knees are locked out and the butt is resting on the floor. She's going to flex her feet back like she's resting a plate on top of her foot, and then the arms come out at a 45-degree angle, palms up. In this position, we're creating extension in the thoracic spine. We're limiting any rotation that can happen in the pelvis, while we're getting a big stretch from the posterior fascial line through the calves, hamstrings, all the way up into the back, and promoting a little bit of flexion of the hip. She's going to bring her arms up from this position. She's going to bend her elbows. The elbows are level with the shoulder, and we have a 90-degree angle in the elbow. The palms, the back of the hand, rest on the floor. The back of the forearm rests on the floor, and the elbow. So most important is that this stays on the ground. So what we're doing is opening up the pec and opening up the anterior aspect of that shoulder, already creating more extension. So this might be a good starting point for you if this is hard for you to rest everything on the ground. And then we can increase to adding the movements. So from here, she's going to make like a little snow angel, bringing her fingertips together, keeping elbows on the ground, back of hand on the ground as she glides back down. We're really promoting scapular movement. You're feeling all those muscles around the scapula start to glide and function properly, kind of lubricate them. As she's doing that, we're getting more extra extension here and repositioning the shoulder joint and increasing the range of motion. And she's going to repeat as her therapist has prescribed, and this is static wall floor glides.